Hello my YouTube friends! I get questions almost daily about audio setup issues in OBS. In the past, it's been really difficult to find ways to separate audio because audio capture is basically just a party line. What I mean by that is if your computer plays the audio, output capture picks it up and streams it. And that means desktop notifications, music, Discord, guests, and gaming audio are all on the same line. But now there's a solution. Today I'm going to show you a totally free plugin for OBS on PC that can capture each audio source completely separately, really easily. It's totally epic. So let's get to it. My goal on this channel is to help make people better live streamers and entertain a bit in the process. Please take a second and leave a comment. Let me know how I'm doing. And while you're there, hit that thumbs up. It helps encourage YouTube to share this video with a wider audience. And if you aren't subscribed, please do and click that bell. It helps ensure I keep creating awesome content that helps you. And it's totally free. You aren't gonna believe how easy this is. Such a simple thing that solves a problem that's existed in OBS pretty much since it existed. That's what makes the OBS community so freaking awesome. So first I'm gonna walk you through the installation of the plugin, and it's really easy. And second, I'm gonna show you how to set it up to add game audio, Discord audio, web browser audio, and music to your OBS live streams in totally separate lines. The link to this plugin is in the description so you can download it for yourself and check it out. We're just gonna go up to the top right and click go to download. Then we're gonna scroll down here and we're gonna download the setup exe. You can also download the zip file, but this just installs it right for you. We're gonna save that file, then we're gonna go into our Windows Manager. We're gonna get this when we run it. We're gonna run it anyways, and then we're gonna go ahead and accept the agreement and click next. You just wanna make sure that this is actually your OBS download folder. Mine is in an unusual location. Yours is probably going to be in C program files. So just verify that you're going to the correct folder and then click next and then next again and then install. Once you're done, you can just click finish. Today's video is sponsored by Envato Placeit. Placeit is a marketplace for all kinds of assets that can help you with your YouTube channel. Things like art and live streaming and video assets. You can create amazing face cams and live streaming overlays really easily. There are hundreds of templates and each face cam and overlay can be modified with different designs, colors, text, and text fonts. The process is super easy and you can even incorporate your own logo or, if you're like me, your own Placeit design logo. And you can put it right in your design. This gives you an infinite number of overlays and face cam possibilities for your live streams. And they're so easy to create, you can use a different one every time you live stream if you wanted to. So please, click the link in the description and check out Envato Placeit for yourself. If you have the means, supporting the sponsors that support the channel is a great way to help me keep making awesome content that helps you. So thanks. Easy plugin to install for sure. Next, be sure if OBS is running, you close it out and reopen it first. Now, let's configure some audio. The first thing I'm gonna do is go into my settings and I wanna go into audio. And I wanna make sure that all the global audio devices are disabled. I wanna add my own audio as I see fit. And then under monitoring device, I wanna go ahead and select the device that I'm going to be listening to through my headphones. And I'll click OK once I have that all set up. Then I'm gonna go into Steam. I'm just gonna launch a game here. We'll launch Valheim. And then I'm gonna click the plus and I'm gonna go and add this into my stream. So we'll go with display capture and I'll just drop this down and I'm gonna select the display that I'm gonna use and there we go. So now we have Valheim added in there. As you can see here in the audio mixer, when I add the display capture, there's nothing there. So I'm gonna go under sources and click the plus and I'm gonna select application audio output capture. And I'm gonna call this one Valheim just so I know what it is. You wanna make sure you're naming your stuff so you have some idea what it is once it's in the audio mixer, and I'm gonna click OK, and I'm gonna drop the mode down here so you could take a look, and we wanna capture a specific window, and we're gonna go ahead and select that window right here, and this box right here is dependent upon how the executable shows up, and I'll show you how that works in a minute when we get to the music. I'm just gonna click OK, and there we go. Now we can see we have Valheim running as an audio source. Very, very cool. Next, I'm gonna add in Spotify right here. My Spotify audio is playing. I'm gonna click the plus, and once again, I'm going to select Application Audio Output Capture. I'm gonna name this one Spotify and click OK. And then we're gonna go in here and we're going to select the proper window. In this case, it's Spotify. Now you can see that our Spotify dropdown actually has the name of the song that's playing. And that's what makes this bottom one here so important. If your executable will change its name based on the song it's playing or something like that, you just wanna be sure that you select one that matches the original executable name. So this one is match title. Otherwise, you want to use the same executable. And that's the one we want because we don't want it to stop playing once a different song comes on. And then once I'm done, I just click OK. And as you can see, we have our Spotify audio in there. It's playing. We can go into Spotify and modify the song. And you can do this with any audio app. It doesn't just have to be Spotify. Change the song. It's still playing even though the file name has changed. Now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add a web browser. In this case, we're gonna add a Chrome browser that's playing a YouTube page. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna select Application Audio Output Capture. I'm just gonna call this one YouTube and click OK. And I'm gonna drop this down and I'm gonna select the Chrome browser that's playing our audio and click OK. And now we can see that our YouTube audio is playing and it is separate and different than all the other audio. And there's the video it's playing from. And just stretch this up a little bit. Now I'm just gonna add my camera in there so that you can see that this does not affect any other applications that you add. You can add a video or a camera. In this case, I'm gonna go ahead and call this camera and click OK. And I'm just gonna set up my camera as I normally would. Cam link, and we're gonna go with custom, and we're gonna select our resolution. And I'm gonna go down here and select use custom audio device. Select my microphone. I wanna turn down my audio so that my microphone isn't picking it up and feeding it back. And there we go, and click OK. And now I just have to turn my microphone on, and there we go. So now we have 4 completely separate audio sources. And the last one I'm gonna show you how to add here is Discord. I'm gonna go to Application Audio Output Capture. Just gonna type in Discord, click OK, drop it down and select Discord. And that's all we need. Click OK. And you can see I don't actually have any audio playing through Discord, but it will work just like the other ones. This is totally game changing. If you're having an audio sync or any other audio live streaming issue, you should definitely check this video out. It's gonna help you sort through it. And if you're always looking for tools, tips, and tricks that can help make you a better YouTuber or live streamer, subscribe to the channel. My name is Michael Fire Jr. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.